Working with playlists and channels. To create a new playlist, click on the Playlists tab and select the plus icon. Give your playlist a unique name and click OK once done. Your new playlist will then appear in the Content Management panel. Open the playlist to begin adding content items. Once open, you can begin dragging items into the playlist. A playlist can contain one or more content items, including images, videos, templates, other playlists, and channels. Content items can be reordered using drag and drop, and the timing for the content items can be adjusted easily. The total loop time of the playlist is presented at the bottom of the window. Once the playlist is saved, you can select the Preview button. The pop-up preview is an accurate representation of how the playlist will look when published to a signage screen. Playlists can easily be copied using the Copy button provided. You will be prompted to enter a name for the new playlist. To delete playlist items, use the trash bin icon on the right. Channels are simply playlists made by external publishers. Select the channel to open a pop-up preview of the contents. This preview is an accurate representation of how the channel will look when published to a signage screen. As a subscriber to the channel, you are not able to modify the content, but you can drag and drop the channel into your time slots and playlists. Channels are perfect for larger corporations wishing to distribute consistent messaging across multiple sites.